Welcome to Personal Finance Power, where we help you take control of your money and your future. Think hitting big financial goals before 30 is out of reach? It's not. From saving your first $100,000 to ditching debt and investing smart, this video breaks down exactly how to get there. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more strategies to build wealth and crush your financial goals early. 1. Start with a clear vision and written goals. Everything begins with clarity. Write down your financial goals: saving $50,000, owning property, clearing student debt, or traveling the world debt-free. Be specific, measurable, and realistic. Instead of just saying, "I want to be rich," say, "I want to save $10,000 in 12 months. Break that down into monthly and weekly targets. 2. Create a monthly budget that works for you. Budgeting is your most powerful financial weapon. Whether you earn $500 or $5,000 a month, a budget ensures your money works for you. Track all income, expenses, and savings goals. Use the 50-30-20 rule or tweak it to suit your needs. Budgeting apps like You Need a Budget or free tools like Google Sheets help make it easy and visual. 3. Eliminate high-interest debt. Fast debt, especially high-interest debt like credit cards, is the biggest enemy of financial progress. If you want to achieve financial goals early, tackle debt aggressively. Use the avalanche method: highest interest first, or snowball method: smallest balance first, to pay down debt efficiently. Avoid taking on new unnecessary loans unless it's strategic, like education or a home. 4. Build an emergency fund ASAP. Life throws curveballs: car breakdowns, medical bills, or job loss. An emergency fund of 3 to 6 months' expenses keeps you secure and prevents reliance on credit cards. Start with a goal of $1,000, then build up gradually. Keep this money in a high-yield savings account, separate from your daily spending account. Having this cushion ensures that unexpected problems don't derail your financial progress. 5. Increase your income with new skills or side hustles. Saving is essential, but you can't save what you don't earn. If your income is limited, start developing high-value skills: coding, design, writing, sales, or anything in demand. Also, consider launching a side hustle like freelancing, tutoring, content creation, or e-commerce. Use extra income to fund your goals, not your lifestyle. Every new skill or hustle adds leverage to your financial game. 6. Start investing early and consistently. Investing turns your savings into wealth. Open a Roth individual retirement account, 401k, or brokerage account, and start investing in index funds, exchange transfer funds, or stocks. Even $100 per month in your 20s compounds into tens of thousands by your 30s. Don't try to time the market, just be consistent. The earlier you invest, the more you benefit from compound growth. 7. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more. It's tempting to upgrade your car, move into a luxury apartment, or dine out more, but these habits can delay financial freedom. Keep your expenses stable as your income grows. Save and invest the difference. Living modestly while earning more creates a financial gap that builds wealth. If you can live like a student while earning like a professional, your future self will thank you. 8. Use smart budgeting tools and automations. Managing money becomes easier when you automate. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts as soon as your paycheck hits. Use tools like Mint, You Need a Budget, or personal finance apps to track progress. Set reminders for bills to avoid late fees. Automate your savings to avoid relying on motivation or willpower. 9. Surround yourself with financially minded people. Your environment affects your mindset. If your friends only live for the weekend and spend recklessly, that attitude will rub off on you. Follow finance content creators, read personal finance books, and engage with communities focused on building wealth. Talk openly about goals and share strategies with people on similar paths. 10. Track progress and adjust regularly. Every month, review your finances. Are you meeting your saving and investment goals? Are you staying on budget? Is your net worth growing? Tracking allows you to course correct early and stay motivated. Use a net worth tracker or a simple journal to reflect on wins and challenges. Celebrate small victories like paying off a credit card or hitting a savings milestone. Achieving financial goals before 30 starts with action. Which tip are you applying first? Drop it in the comments. And if this video helped shift your mindset or gave you a clear plan, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on saving, investing, and leveling up your financial life. You've got this. Start building that future today.